Okay, today we're going to solve 1 and 2-step problems using data represented in a scaled bar graph. Looks like we're using bar graphs. Okay, let's read the directions and the story. Okay, answering questions about data helps you better understand the information. Okay, now read the story. Derek's class.
Derek's class voted on a topic for the school bulletin board. The bar graph shows the results. How many board votes did computers receive in space?
What are we going to do in this problem? Cooper? How do you know you need to subtract, says the blue box? How do you know that you need to subtract? Savannah?
We need to subtract because it says how many more.
Yes, it says how many more. So write that.
Just write how many.
It says how many more.
I'm going to just write it.
Looking up here, you can see this is our bar graph right here. This is our bar graph. Votes for school bulletin board topic. And you have the topics here to the side. Voting for books, voting for health, voting for computers, or voting for space for the bulletin board topic. And then you can see the number of votes on the bottom. What are they jumping by? Aubrey? Choose. I need you all to pay more attention to the math that we're doing and less attention to the fly. Okay, count back along the scale to find the difference between bars. So look at the computer's bar and the space bar because that is the two types of things that the question was asking about. Computers is how much? Everyone?
10.
Space is how much?
3.
Okay, what is 10 subtracted by 3? Or 3 subtracted by 10?
You can't do that.
No, you can do 10 minus 3.
Oh!
What is it, guys?
7.
Okay, write that down on your papers so that it's not blank and you miss a point. Okay, now it says to write another number sentence, or write a number sentence. A number sentence is blank, and then minus, add, subtract, add, multiply, or divide, another number, and then the answer. So there are 10 votes for computers. That is the most votes that we can have, right? So that is our first number for our sentence, our number sentence, right, Callie? What would our second number be for this problem then? Or what's the second thing we do? Not the second number, the second thing we do. Carter? Put a minus sign. Then what's our second number for our sentence? Jacob? 3. Then what do we put? Eli? Equal sign. And then our last part of our number sentence, Bella, is, okay, this is a number sentence, okay? 10 minus 3 equals 7. That's a number sentence. So if you ever see on your papers, write the number sentence for the problem, it's just wanting something like this. A number sentence could also be adding, like 10 plus 3 equals 13. It also could be multiply, like 2 times 2 equals 4. Or it could be divide, like 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Those are all sentences, okay? Those are sentences. I know we haven't done these two things, so don't worry, but I'm just trying to tell you that if it's asking for a number sentence, you could be subtracting or adding. And you have to write something plus something equals something, or a number minus another number equals this number. So computers received how many more votes than space, everyone?
7.
Okay, turn to your next page after you have written that down. We are going to do another problem. Let's read the story for the next problem.
Brooke School collected cans of food. The bar graph shown to the right shows the number of cans. How many fewer cans were collected on Tuesday than on Thursday and Friday combined?
It's a two-step problem, like Wyatt said. Okay, so to find our answer for this two-step problem, let's follow the steps. Step 1 says,
Find the total of Thursday and Friday.
okay, you see the word combined.
Yes.
You also see the word and. When you see the word and, it combines the two things that are on the left-sided and the right-sided and, which is Thursday and Friday. So, what is Thursday's number? Tyson?
24.
No. Oh, yes, 24. Sorry, I was looking at Friday. Yes, Thursday is 24. What is Friday's number, Allie?
26 or 27.
What do you guys think?
26.
It's in the middle of 24 and 28.
25.
So we have 25, 26, and 27.
26.
Now, we are looking for the middle number. Okay, here, I gotta write this bigger. So, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. What's the middle number?
26.
26. So it should be 26 for Friday. If you cannot do this kind of math going sideways, we can stack and add. What is 4 plus 6?
10.
This is 0. Add the 1. 2 plus 1 is
5.
Okay, so how much for Thursday and Friday combined?
50.
50 what?
50 cans.
Cans. Okay, that is our first step for this two-step problem. Now let's look for the second step. Second step says to subtract to compare the total for Thursday and Friday to Tuesday and find the difference. So, what did we get for Thursday and Friday? 50. And now we're going to find the difference. 50 minus what? Savannah?
14.
How do you know that?
Because there's 13 and 15.
Where did you look, first of all?
I looked in the graph.
I looked in the graph. She looked in the graph. She looked at the graph for Tuesday. And Tuesday, the bar is in between
12 and 16.
and the number between 12 and 16 is
14.
14. That's why she said the number was 14. So we're doing 50 minus 14. If you cannot do that in your mind, then we can put stack and subtract. What's 0 minus 4?
0.
So we have to do what?
Round out the 5, take it to the 4, make the total of 10.
10 minus 4 is
6.
4 minus 1 is
3.
so that would be 36. What? So how many fewer cans were collected on Tuesday than on Thursday and Friday combined?
36.
Okay. 36. Write it down. Question that's below this says, what if 4 fewer cans were collected on Monday than on Tuesday? How many cans would be collected on Monday? This is a one-step problem. What if 4 fewer cans were collected on Monday? Is there a Monday up there? No. So, if 4 fewer cans were collected on Monday than on Tuesday, how much would be on Monday? So think about Tuesday. Tuesday has how many?
14.
What's 4 fewer than 14? Everyone?
10.
So how many would be on Monday then? 10 cans. Now we have to explain. Explain, how do we find that? We can just do it with a number sentence. So what's our number sentence going to be?
14 minus 4
14 minus 4
equals 10.
equals 10. Okay, now we will be going to share and show.